Okay, welcome. Let's see how to create a stack. So basically, what is stack? Let us know this first. Stack is a thing which is provided in the CloudFormation service. Okay, and we should use our own demo to create it. We should use our own template or sample template to create a stack. Basically, whenever you don't need to create infrastructure of your own, or you don't need to allocate resources, or you don't need to manage those resources of your own, then you create a template which is CloudFormation. Okay, it is a service that helps you to set your own AWS resources that you like. If you will do them individually and integrate it, try to integrate it, then it will be difficult for you to go, and it will be more time taking. So to make it a bit easier and a bit efficient, we use AWS CloudFormation, and using that we write some JSON or YAML code, and then through that we make AWS CloudFormation stack. Okay, we use that service and then we make a stack. So choose any existing template. In this video we will be doing this only. We'll be choosing an existing template here. Okay, and next is, let us go with this Amazon S3 URL, and then there will be another option which will be your template file. So upload your template file. Earlier there was an option to use sample file, but now we don't have that option, so we have to upload on our own. And this is my basic YAML stuff which I have written. You should follow this, you should write this. It will instantiate or initiate an EC2 instance only in the availability zone US East 1A, North Virginia, and image ID will be this, and instance type will be t2.micro because it is a free tier eligible instance. Okay, and you should do this in this availability zone because all the services are made for this instance, and like US East 1A is the instance or is the region in which all the services are enabled. So whenever you are working with these types of sample things, we prefer US East 1A. Okay, so next is we should upload template file here, and then choose that template file. Drag down. Let me select that. Just wait. Where is that? Yeah. So just wait where that is. That file is just here, I guess. So this is YAML file. I'll be selecting this file, and then with this EC2 YAML you will get a S3 URL template on your own that AWS will make it for you, and then specify your stack details. I have already made one, so I'll just name with that. So I did made it earlier. Next is, let us go with the default settings only. Let us not change anything. And let me show you one thing. Let me show you one thing. You can see your infrastructure, what type of infrastructure is composed. You can see on a default canvas. Okay, so just check this canvas. So this is only thing that I am creating. This is an instance. My instance is being created here, an EC2 instance of t2.micro in US East 1A region, and this is my YAML and JSON format. You can see in both the formats. If you want to change anything, you can change it here, and you can validate that change. Okay, next, confirm and continue to CloudFormation. Let us create this template with EC2 instance only. Next, let us press next, and then specify stack details. Okay, let's keep all the things default in step 3. Let us not change anything. Permissions will be done because it is optional. We won't be doing anything. Now review and simply create this. And what this stack will do, this stack will create an EC2 instance for you, and that instance, you can see this is event. This is event bar. This is event, and these are events that are being completed, and meanwhile you will see one instance. Okay, so in the EC2 instance dashboard you can see there is an instance running, and this resource is allocated, and you can check its AMI. So AMI ID will be same as configured, what we entered, that ID will be same only. Okay, just check. Yep, so it is same actually, and instance type is t2.micro only. Yep, and it is made in the US region only. Okay, so that is what I wanted to show you, and let us see whether it is done or not. Let us refresh it, and yep, creation is complete. Your EC2 instance is done, your demo stack is done. So first the all resources are allocated, and then only it will show that stack is created successfully. So it runs all the code that is in your YAML, and all that YAML code is configured, and when it is success then it will create. And let us delete it, because don't forget to delete, because that instance which is running, that might cost you. Okay, so if you want to be in free tier, you should just delete it. Thank you, and let's meet in our next video.